Hey folks, Marcus here from CountryWoodSmoke HQ, and today I'm having a look at the Camp Chef WoodWind 24 pellet grill. Okay, so this grill has just arrived in the UK. It's the Camp Chef WoodWind 24 pellet grill, and this one's got a Sidekick burner on the side. So this Sidekick is a gas monster, and it adds extra levels of versatility to this grill. There's so much you can do with it. There's a pizza oven, there's all sorts of going on. We're going to have a look at that later, but this is a pellet grill. It runs on wood pellets here that you feed into this hopper here. Pure wood pellets these are. This is their competition blend, and the smoke from here smells amazing. So there's so much you can cook on a pellet grill, and it makes it easy to cook. It's almost like cheating, but you get great food, and it's wonderful. What I really like about this grill that I haven't seen on many others is that you have an option to set the smoke level, and you can set the smoke level from 1 to 10, and that then will control the smoke level in your food, so you can control the temperature and the smoke level, and that's really unusual on these grills and really good feature. One of the first things I like to do on a new grill is to have a chicken cook, and thighs are really cheap and easy, quick to cook, and I get a feel for the grill and how it's going to cook. So I've set my grill up for about 180 degrees C, and I'm going to put these chicken thighs on. Chicken thighs are going to take 20 or so minutes, so need a pitmaster's perks, smash burgers. Let's get going. Love this. I can have something smoking away in there, and I can cook smash burgers on this hot plate. That grill is a beast. Honestly, seriously high temperatures from that burner. There we go, smash burgers done on the Camp Chef. So these chicken thighs are done. The probe's telling me that it's 88 degrees C. That's perfect for chicken thighs. Let's have a look. I wanted them nice and crispy. They look amazing. So I'm blown away with these. Crispy skin. They look perfectly smoked, and I'm dying to get into these. So I can't resist these. I've left them to rest for long enough. Let's have a taste. Oh, they are epic. Nice crispy skin, lovely smoke ring on there. Beautiful, beautiful chicken thighs. Great job this grill's doing for me, and I'm loving it. So that's smash burgers done. That's chicken thighs done. Absolutely nailed those. Really enjoyed those. Now, start bringing the big guns out. Tomahawk steak. Really beautiful bit of beef. This is Longhorn. I'm going to give this simple treatment. Bit of salt, bit of pepper. So that smash burger's done, chicken thighs done, the tomahawk's on, cooking away. Let's make pizza. So this pizza looks amazing. Let's have a taste. Nice and crispy, lovely colour on top. I love pizza, and that is a really good pizza for a first go on the Camp Chef WoodWind pellet grill. So the Sidekick attachment means you can cook amazing pizza while the steak's cooking in there. So with this grill, if you're looking for a bit more sear on your steaks, there's a knob here. Simply pull it out, and that gives you a lot more direct flame for searing your steaks. That is a really good feature. A lot of pellet grills struggle with direct searing temperatures. Okay, so really impressed with this tomahawk steak. Lovely sear on it, nice crispy fat. Look at that fat, it's like butter. And I've rested this nicely, so I'm going to get in and have a little taste and see how I've done. Nice smoke ring, perfectly cooked, end to end pink. That looks superb. Gonna have a taste. That is wonderful. Lovely smoke, lovely sear, perfect, easy tomahawk steak done on the Camp Chef WoodWind. Okay, so I've smashed out some epic food on this grill. I've done smash burgers, I've done pizza, I've done chicken thighs, and I've done the most amazing tomahawk steak. I think this is a brilliant bit of kit. I love it. It's a grill, it's a pizza oven, it's a plancha, it's a smoker, it does everything. There's nothing I don't think you can't cook on this, and I'm really impressed. I love it. It's a fabulous, fabulous grill. So I hope you've enjoyed this video, and let me know if you've got any questions about this grill below. Cheers.